Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your customer data with Adobe Analytics. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Adobe Analytics account. Navigate to the admin console on the dashboard. Click on the Data Governance section. Select Privacy Settings from the drop-down menu. Review the data collection policies that are currently in place. Ensure that you have a clear understanding of what data is being collected. Next, implement user consent mechanisms. Set up cookie banners to inform users about data usage. Make sure the consent options are easy to navigate. Configure the user opt-out features for tracking. Go back to the Data Governance section. Click on Data Retention Policies. Define how long you want to retain customer data. Ensure compliance with regional regulations such as GDPR or CCPA. Set up filters to exclude sensitive information from tracking. Use Adobe's data masking feature to protect personal details. Regularly review the data access logs for any unusual activity. Conduct periodic audits of your data collection practices. Consider integrating additional security measures such as encryption. Educate your team on best practices for data protection. Establish a clear protocol for handling data breaches. Stay updated with Adobe Analytics features related to data privacy. Finally, test your privacy settings to ensure they are functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.